Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado is featured in a glacier blue metallic paint finish and is the custom Trail Boss trim. Under the hood we have our 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 6-passenger seating with a front 40-20-40 folding bench seat finished in jet black cloth throughout. Also in the front of the vehicle, we have our lane keep assist, forward collision alert, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with our full touchscreen display, as well as a backup camera. Outside the vehicle, we have our 2-inch factory lift, Z71 off-road package, which includes our all-terrain tires with black alloy wheels, a power tailgate, as well as a spray-on bed liner. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and child safety locks. Bottom of the door we have some storage as well as our speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel we have our tow haul mode, all of our transfer case settings for our 4-wheel drive as well as lighting controls, electronic parking brake a little bit below, power driver seat with lumbar finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above the steering wheel we have our display cluster. You can see on the right hand side here we have our digital information system that's fully adjustable from there. Moving down to the left hand side of the steering wheel we have all of our cruise settings as well as forward collision alert. We have all of our controls for our wipers on the left hand side, shifter up and to the right with a push to start ignition down to the right. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, phone connection, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailering lights. If we swipe to the second page, backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines. Below, we have our home, seek, volume control, as well as hands-free, climate control with front and rear defrost, AC, as well as all of our modes, lane keep assist, auto stop start, powered tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, and downhill assist below. Then we have a USB-C 12 volt and a 120 volt plug in the front of the vehicle. Some storage in our center console as well as 2 cup holders. You can also see the key on top. We have locks and unlocks, remote start, as well as our powered tailgate and alarm system. Opening into the middle of the center console, we have some deep storage. If we lift up on it, we can turn it into a locking center seat. Release is just down the side if we wish to fold it back down. Then we have some underseat storage as well. As mentioned, both our passenger seats in the second row are our jet black cloth finishes. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar settings at the front, as well as all of our dome lighting controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, just before our front door, we have our Z71 badging. You can see our 2-inch factory lift, as well as our black alloy wheel with Chevrolet bowtie center cap and an all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have our black cap mirrors, as well as black capped door handles. Trail Boss badging at the back of the vehicle. All the way around to the very back, we have corner bumper steps, Silverado custom badging both in chrome, a trailer tow hitch, and Chevrolet etched into the tailgate. Opening up the tailgate, we have a power release with an easy lift and lower. Inside the truck itself, we have our in-bed lighting as well as a 120 volt plug, cable tie downs in the front and the back, as well as our spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 vents in the bottom of our center seat. Moving to the second row seating, we have a 60-40 fold-up bench finished in our jet black cloth. You can fold up the seats by simply lifting up on the front, and we can make some additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.